The transformation. Sarah and the spinning wheel. Sarah lived in a small town where everyone knew each other. Her dream was to become an entrepreneur and open a small store to sell handcrafted items she made herself. But she faced a challenge. She had only a small amount of money and little experience. Instead of giving up, Sarah decided to start with small steps. She began selling her crafts at the local market every weekend. She worked hard, but profits were modest at first. She encountered difficulties. Some days she didn't make any sales, and on other days, she had to work late into the night to fulfill orders. But Sarah didn't quit. She had a clear vision and a strong determination. Every day, she spent extra time improving her skills and learning how to manage her business. She also invested time in building relationships with her customers and expanding her client base. A year passed, and Sarah's efforts began to pay off. Her store started gaining recognition, she had more customers, and profits began to grow steadily. Sarah didn't just follow her dream. She also opened new doors for herself. Through patience, perseverance, and continuous hard work, she turned her dream into a tangible reality. Sarah's story teaches us that success isn't about luck, but is the result of hard work, consistency, and believing in your ability to achieve your dreams despite the challenges.